This is the 6th grade Chapter 6 test. I'm going to read each question and all the answer choices. Please feel free to stop the video at any point so that you have time to work out your answers. And then don't forget to record your solutions on the answer document before you turn in your test. All right, number 1. Complete the table below to identify the dependent quantities. The table at the top reads input x, 3x minus 4, output y. A, 11, 29, 51. B, 11, 29, 53. C, 11, 28, 53. D, 10, 29, 53. Number 2. The graph shows the changes for a movie rental club in a month. Which equation can be used to find the total charge y for any number of rentals x in a month? A, y equals 2 plus x. B, y equals 2 minus x. C, y equals 2 times x. D, y equals 2 times x plus 1. Write an equation to represent the relationship between the independent and dependent quantities for each table. Number 3. The top of the table reads input x, output y. A, y equals x plus 2. B, y equals x plus 3. C, y equals 2x. D, y equals 2x plus 2. Number 4. The top of the table reads input x, output y. A, y equals 3 minus x. B, y equals 3 plus x. C, y equals 3x plus 1. D, y equals 3x. Number 5. The top of the table reads input x, output y. A, y equals 4x. B, y equals 4x plus 1. C, y equals 4 plus x. D, y equals 4 minus x. Use the table below for exercises 6 and 7. The table reads position, value of term. Number 6. Use words and symbols to describe the value of each term in relation to its position. A, multiply the position number by 6, 6n. B, add 6 to the position number, n plus 6. C, subtract 6 from the position number, n minus 6. D, subtract 7 from the position number, n minus 7. Number 7. What is the value of the 16th position in the sequence? A, 10, B, 11, C, 12, D, 9. Number 8. Hugo is buying DVDs that cost $15 each. Write an equation to find C, the total amount he will spend on any number of DVDs D. Then use the equation to find the amount he will spend if he buys 6 DVDs. A, C equals 15D, $82. B, C equals 15 plus D, $21. C equals 15D, $85. D, C equals 15D, $90. Number 9. A summer camp charges $10 for each day that someone attends the camp. Write an equation that could be used to find the total cost y for someone to attend the camp for any number of days x. Then graph the equation. A, y equals 10 plus x. B, y equals 10 minus x. C, y equals 10x. D, y equals 10x plus 1. Number 10. Write an equation to represent each relationship between the independent and dependent quantities. The table on 10 reads input x, output y. A, y equals 4 minus x. B, y equals 4 plus x. C, y equals 4x plus 1. D, y equals 4x. Number 11. The table reads input x, output y. A, y equals x plus 2. B, y equals x plus 1. C, y equals 2x. D, y equals x minus 1. For exercises 12 and 13, use the fact that there are 7 days in a week. Number 12. Write an equation to find y, the number of days in x weeks. A, y equals 7x plus 1. B, y equals 7x. C, y equals 7 plus x. D, y equals 7 minus x. Number 13. How many days are there in 12 weeks? A, 78 days. B, 80 days. C, 86 days. D, 84 days. Number 14. A sports store owner prices its skates by charging $10 more than the cost to make them. Complete the table. The table reads cost to produce C in dollars and price P in dollars. A, 42, 45, 50. B, 40, 45, 50. C, 40, 42, 50. D, 40, 45, 52. Number 15. The table shows the number of text messages sent by Kevin and Michael based on number of hours of phone usage. How many more text messages would Michael send than Kevin after 8 hours? The top of the table reads hours, Kevin, Michael. A, 7 messages. B, 8 messages. C, 6 messages. D, 9 messages. Number 16. The equation y equals negative 3x is an example of what type of relationship? A, additive. B, multiplicative. Number 17. Which type of sequence can be found by adding the same number to the previous term, such as the sequence 4, 8, 12? A, arithmetic. B, geometric. Number 18. Consider the table for the equation y equals x minus 3. Is x the independent or dependent quantity? A, independent. B, dependent. The top of the table reads input x, output y. Number 19. Ellie made a 96% on her first math test, a 23 over 25 on her second test, and a 0.97 on her third test. Arrange the scores from greatest to least. A, 23 over 25, 96%, 0.97. B, 96%, 23 over 25, 0.97. C, 0.97, 96%, 23 over 25. D, 96%, 0.97, 23 over 25. Number 20. The cafeteria surveyed 450 students about their favorite type of food. If 12% of the students chose hamburgers, how many students chose hamburgers? A, 54 people. B, 4.5 people. C, 45 people. D, 58 people. Bonus questions for 6th grade Chapter 6 test. 1. Alicia bought 3.36 yards of fabric to make napkins for a charity dinner. She needs 0.21 yards of fabric for each blanket. How many blankets can Alicia make with the fabric she bought? Grid your answer in the space provided. Number 2. A package of 5 erasers costs 39 cents. At this rate, how much would 60 erasers cost in dollars and cents? Grid your answer in the space provided. Number 3. Of the 250 sheep in a flock, 85 are white. What percent of the flock are white sheep? That's the end of the Chapter 6 test. Please don't forget to double check and make sure all your answers have been bubbled in on your Scantron. If you have any questions, please let a teacher know. Thanks.